Alright, what's up y'all? Nick, Cash's Candy Classics live, coming back at you with our disc brake kit for the 61 to 69, 68. I'm going to flip it around, give you an overhaul of what you need to do first to get it on. Alright, so we took the tire off. This will be your spindle nut. There'll be a cotter pin through here. You back the cotter pin off. Well, first you're going to knock that cap off. Your dust cover. Get the dust cover off. Cotter pin out. Pull the nut down. Wiggle this back and forth. And as you can see, it's kind of loose already. So we'll just wiggle it back and forth. Pull that off. And then we'll see what we got behind it. Alright, we got it all off. You want to clean up all this old wheel bearing grease. Clean this all off good with brake cleaner and all. Disassemble the brakes. And then we'll go back to putting everything on here shortly. Go ahead and pull that brake hose loose. You're not going to need it right there. So, I'll get it to you. What's up, what's up, what's up? Cash's Candy Classics live, coming back in with some disc brake info. Showed y'all earlier how to get the spindle nut off, pull the drum off. You'll disconnect all the brakes, pull these two bolts off here, that bolt off there, then that whole cover will come off. And once you remove your upper and lower control arm, your hole will look like this then. If you're not doing control arms, then your spindle will look like that after you take them 3 bolts out, and then that's going to prepare you for the install on your disc brakes.